Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the gold brake calipers behind. We also have the polar white metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille with a big Mercedes badge in the centre, and there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side steps along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof that's currently on a tilt, can also slide all the way open. We then have the gloss black rear spoiler, sitting nice and aggressive just there on the tailgate. We do have the front and rear parking sensors as well, with the 360-degree cameras. Rear diffuser at the back, along with a power operated tailgate. If you press the button on the remote, you'll find the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do have the parcel shelf at the top, storage net on the left, along with a 12-volt connectivity and hooks on either side. Coming back out, we also have a handle just here along with a button. Press the button and the boot will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, inside the back you find the full black leather seats, foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. Wooden and fat trim on the doors with the premium BEMS sound system and electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather seats. There's a look at the roof from the inside. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they're also both heated as well. And there's a quick look at them. We do have the controls here on the door, again with the BEMS sound system, electric windows which are locked for the rear, and electric mirrors. Automatic lights down here. We then have the flat bottomed and multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us, and if you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will turn on. Just turn the volume down. We do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, along with the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter on the right. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Plenty of different options and features which you can go through on the dashboard. You would have seen a few of them on the photos, but if we go through all the different features just here, we can see all these different options which you can scroll through. We can also change the design. So on classic, go to sport, you can see it changes. Same if you go on to progressive as well. Let's keep on classic for now. Moving across to the main infotainment screen, you find we have the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. We also have more features as well. Again, you would have seen on the photos, but we do have the buttons down here. Click onto the sat nav, the map will appear. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. And then onto the main menu, you'll also find all the other options which you can scroll through just here. We have the media, ambient lighting just here with plenty of colours to go through. Looks really nice at night time. And then again, scrolling through the other options, we do have the apps just here, which is where you'll find we have the smartphone for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down, again, we've got the wooden effect trim here in the centre. We do also have the vents with the dual zone climate control and the ice-cold air conditioning. Again, further down though, you'll also find we have the wireless phone charging inside of here. We have the cup holders and a Type-C USB port, which can be closed simply like so. Touchpad for the screen, along with the drive modes. So if you just hit the switch up or down, you can go through the different drive modes that the vehicle has, and as you can see, goes through them smoothly. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the 360 view on the right. Put it back into drive, change it to the front facing camera, but we can also go through each individual camera and you can see they all work as you'd expect them to. Put it back into park, and then finally we do also have the armrest here in the centre, which can be opened up for extra storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. And as you can see, I'm now to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, you simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We also have the volume buttons and the phone connectivity on the left, speed limiter and the adaptive cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays and different features that you've seen on the photos and walk around video. We also have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we have plenty more features on the interior of this vehicle. We have the sunroof just up here. We also have the full leather seats, which are really comfortable and you could easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for the cold winter mornings, and also electrically adjustable, controlled here on the doors. We do also have the wooden effect trim on the doors, along with here in the centre, really makes the interior a nice place to be. On the main screen as well, just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, but also has many more features as well, again you would have seen on the photos. We do of course have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears. And now we've got our right indicator on, we're slowing down, and we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park. And I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera and 360 view appears on the screen. Put it into drive, changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.